So I created this contraption. Probably not the best thing to be pushing against the steering wheel, but there's kind of rubber pads, so I hope that doesn't damage the steering wheel. And then there is this clamp thingy pushing against the brake pedal. So yeah, that's probably not the best way of doing it, like I said, against the steering wheel, but it's not too much pressure. I checked, and once that pedal is pressed in like that, I don't see, well, I mean, there is a little bit of a drip happening, but oh boy. So it doesn't seem like the hoses are really leaking. I mean, there's a little bit of a drip happening. Well, at least I suppose I can start with this one. Which one is... So I suppose I can start with this one, the one that is removable still, and just undo that and remove the hose and just plug that pipe tube. And then figure out what to do with the other one. So let's remove this one. Just turn this as far as it goes until it just comes out of the... I should probably deal with this tube too. It's in the way. Kind of should move it out of the way. But in any case, I will just connect this one first.